Tering chinda sumbe chechu de pemi rawang ge lang ki nimor. Pemi dikzu ki kunjun tu pepe Australia tan Germany ki chozo tumi che ne. Pemi lana mebe uti jinor konsekem kyu chenpu chola jega shuba mase. Sargoil henso shi gongso gyu gana ki pyo miri depsu ki chachu pei shimba gyuncho tan del. Pyo dun le mutu chali nang gyu shishe nang song. Teyang Australia chozo tumi kuzab tsokchung ki tsomi Francis McCormack la tang. Deborah Mary O'Neill la, Dean Anthony Smith la, David Smith la, Germany chozo tumi Michael Carl Brand la, Australia pyodun hengang ki deduba Zoe Bedford la, Germany geji pyodun legu kangi ngedun ba Kai Mula la, Teshin pymitik zu ki sikyong zoebe chidil galun cho, Teshin Swiss pyo ki kutsab tuncho tili chugi la, Orling pyo ki kutsab tuncho kamasengi la che ki teri nga chu pymi sumchu tuten sungzi shuwe shungde zegwe macha kong, pymi lana mebe uti jinor konsikyam kyu chenpucho ki simchung to gombo kanyi ki mixi jega shu song. Kaptir khonsa chowa ne, chozo tumi namla doba mi namni kema tha ne, ame chamze wo chalong chungwa le, gekabdan chapsi ki tacho so ki yewe to leme gor ka zewa thandel, doba mi chikyu ki dushe kongbe to gyundu sem sangbo chagwe khe gor kalop katin chewa ze do.
We should be warm-hearted human beings. And we need genuine big sense of sorrow. Brothers, sisters, or humanity work together, live together among humanity.
Mase kapte chozo tumi namne takab zamling teye to gyana thang urusu so wangcha jikdu ki shungshuk cheru sonde mangzo nyamkhu su joshin yu tab ter nyambu tondang kor lamdön shu bar khonsa chogi teye kalin thong zo jo mi jikgu ki samlu khombe chagyu keche yimba kalop ka tin chewa zena song Yuni ki chozo tumi kutsab namki, teje pyo ki sumju tujen sungsi shuwe shungde zegor unshu na je, Ningep chiril hawa tsiring tsokang tu sargoil henzo shi gongsu na watar, kapte Germany chozo tumi Michael Carl Brand la ki, gyana ki Xinjiang zam mase pyo na genocide she, miri depsu ki chaju be shimbar jejo thandel.
And based on the UN Convention Against Genocide, Beijing is organizing genocide against the Tibetans.
Gyana ki sinsi Xi Jinping ki khudi wo pyo dan Xinjiang ni ki nebo ngala chedu du song yo batang. Gyana gegab tishin pyo zam mase geji denja te niri shin yensa checher jo shimba so ngwe se ki, gyaga tabu geji shungka ne gyana ki wo go tsawa ne gyurgu me kor song song.
We hope that important countries like India, with its significant race in international responsibility and its rising weight in comparison to China, will not bow down before Beijing, but will assert authority to strengthen and to protect a Buddhist nation from being extended by an atheist regime.
Chozo tumi kushab Dean Smith lagi konam yuyute chozo pyodun gyab gyo tsobe ngobo toni shuga du chebibki, kongsa chodan jeje chungwar hajang gabu chungshe tang, geshungi debe lo chukdaane pyonangi pyomi to chanun chingi siju damin lagda ki, pyodinam geri sugyu tabdan geji temdi kala zime doryo tangda dongshin yobar gyunjo nimbo tandel, Australia ngwene geji den geshungi ngenjo kala tedun ki gyunjo chagyu gen yobatar, tedar nangyu tang, pyomi tabzo la charo kangdub nangyu te chwesem tembu yob song song.
And we believe very, very strongly that when the Tibetan community is strong in countries like Australia and India, it makes the cause of democracy and human rights much easier and attainable in Tibet.
Mase Australia chozo kome tumi Deborah Mary O'Neill la ki, tari kongsa choda nguisu jemyo shugu chungwani kesang ki tuji shiin batang, tengdi tsamsi gu geshung ki pyonan chezu chebe jadwe lopta tang, pyonan ki zada nedan chi tang, lakbar tante degi kuge nedan te shedo kangdub nang de, chi rang yu tu lo che chozo tumi shen la teda kor kodo begyu tang, lakdun pyomir changden yongwar mutu ni ngewa zeme ki chale nang gu yinba song song.
What is China doing to address these concerns? And will China allow meaningful and unfettered access to Xinjiang and Tibet for independent human rights observers, including the UN High Commissioner for Human Rights and Special Procedures, mandate holders? We will continue to ask that question.
Sargoil henzo to tadun chozo tumi namgi sargoil chiwa kala kanle na yobishin, kaptir gewe yangsi ki nedun te gyana shungi dawan shukji zoy shimbe kwa ki tiwa lindep tu, Australia tan Germany ki chozo tumi namne, she chikda tone gewe kuyu yangsi ki nedun te gyana la tedo chawang mebel ngon se nang song.
The interference of the People's Republic of China in the succession is non-negotiable. It is non-negotiable. It is the most egregious act of religious interference and denial of religious rights that the world has probably seen for a very, very long time. And you can be very, very confident that as we approach the 90th birthday of His Holiness, Australians will become increasingly aware and outraged that this is being considered by the People's Republic of China.
마세 편한기 시슈 망초 남라 달렌투 마주 페미단 렌도 요셰 탕 시슈 페미 대달라 게지토 가나슌라 견조난기 고갑메바 대달양 콩남베 페미 최 표자 생기 여바자 마세 가나기 신지 시진핑 가주 또슈 체낭 페미남 대외가 닝도 채워 여바 송송
maintain your hope, maintain your belief, continue to, as best you can, advocate through as best you can the channels available to you, and know that there are many people around the world, your Tibetan brothers and sisters, but also so many others, so many others who share your pain, who are with you on your journey, who believe in you, who hope for you, who support you, who love you.
I only want to say, don't give up. She seems strong, but he is not strong. The strongest are the Tibetans.
시제 올링탄 German 초조 투미 구첩 소중키 진노르 콘세겸규 첨부초하기 제거 슈바탄델 페미딕조기 제조 남바탄 대신 슝제 마인베 초대카기 구첩 남단해 제면소 나엽제도
And that is the stewardship that he has provided to Tibetans on their own path to democratic practice. And we honour his spiritual leadership, but of course we honour the very, very clear and wise guidance, the stewardship that he has provided to Tibetans as they embark upon and embrace their own democratic tradition.